For the past 30 years, SCAN Health Plan, a community-based nonprofit organization, has been focused on providing affordable health coverage for people with Medicare.
SCAN was founded by 12 frustrated seniors in Long Beach that couldn't get the services they needed to help them stay independent. Over the 30 years since, we've continued to fulfill that dream by helping people get the right health care at the right time while living independently. And we do that by providing them services to keep them living at home, as well as to provide the right health care.
One of SCAN's major goals is to help people on Medicare make informed choices about their health.
SCAN understands the issues of aging. Seniors progressing through the course of time can become fragile and then ultimately frail with chronic conditions. We educate them, we empower them, we encourage them, and we coach them in an understanding of their disease state and how best to manage it. At the same time, we work with their providers to share our geriatric expertise to add value to the doctor-patient relationship.
Finding innovative ways to help manage the chronic conditions of an aging population not only improves people's lives, but ultimately helps resolve some of the issues in our current Medicare system.
We partner with our providers in the network to make sure that we share best practices and at the same time afford access to the member for doctors and facilities near their home. At the same time, we recognize that the seniors' world shrinks with time. So we find community resources near their home who can provide meals in the home, provide transportation to their caregivers, to provide caregiver support, and ultimately provide access to social and physical programs that will enhance the quality of their lives.
If you have Medicare, I recommend that you take SCAN. They've taken great care of me and my wife, and they will take good care of you too.